Miami County Dispatch reporting 911 lines are down. Once again, Miami County Dispatch reporting 911 lines are down. Call non-emergency line at 937.
Thank you, Sean. Quick look here. This is our downtown Springfield camera looking right into all the action. Hard to see much of anything because of the heavy rain. McCall, there's no warning on this yet, but I want to get back to the radar. I'm looking at my radar on my phone, and it does look like just to the northwest of Xenia, there is some rotation. If we could take a look at that, you can see it here very clearly. Here's Xenia at the bottom of your screen, and you can see this little inflow notch is what we call it. Some of the rotations. If we can put the velocity in. Sure enough, folks, that's exactly what we're seeing. Officially, there is no tornado warning with this, but it's a safe bet, folks. If you're in northern Greene County, a good idea to go ahead and take shelter right now. And in fact, I just got a warning here.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clark County, central Greene County, southwestern Madison County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Xenia, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado.
That might explain why it got really dark.
Rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows. Locations impacted include Springfield, Beaver Creek, Fairborn, Xenia, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Cedarville, Enon, Jamestown, South Charleston, Jeffersonville, Wilberforce, Colony, Houston, and Selma. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 52 and 68.
Is taking place. So anywhere from Wilberforce to Yellow Springs, you definitely want to go ahead and be in your safe spot at this point. If you are hearing the sound of my voice, go ahead, perhaps just turn the TV on all the way up or to 95.7 FM in another room. Just turn the audio as loud as you can and go into your safe spot, and you'll continue to hear my voice, and I'll tell you when it is safe for you to go ahead and come out of that safe spot. Tornado warning continues. We're getting the latest sweep on Live Doppler 7 radar, and you can see how quickly Live Doppler 7 radar scans the skies and gets us those latest updates. I know we're just looking at reflectivity right now, but I've noticed that the velocity scans themselves are not keeping up with how fast the radar is showing the storm moving. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to track this using radar instead of velocity scans at this point. Go ahead, Brett.
Well, I was just looking at our weather camera network, and if you can, let's go ahead and pull up the Beaver, or rather the Xenia camera, which is just to the south of this. Hard to see much of anything. We are looking north into the storm, but you can see visibility down next to none. So likely you will not be able to see a tornado if there is one on the ground. Let's go back to the radar, and you can see where this warning is. Let's do a kind of a quick recap here. Time is 4:47 p.m. We've been on the air since just before to Greene County. It does include parts of Clark County as well. It goes until, is that okay? That is the tornado watch that goes until 8 p.m. The tornado warning, I believe, goes until 5:15 p.m.
So I have my wife in a basement at the base. I have one daughter in a basement in the building right in front of me. I have another daughter in a basement at home.
Give you guys a point of reference that we've got a tornado warning in effect, and it goes until 5:15 this evening, as we do have indications of rotation. At this point, no confirmation of tornadoes on the ground. but the rotation part of our velocity is showing us that this storm has the potential of producing a tornado.
Yeah, so folks in Yellow Springs, north of Cedarville, the storm is on top of you right now. Take shelter immediately. This is a life-threatening situation, as you can see the rotation there. This warning also includes South Charleston, South Vienna. You need to be in your safe place right now as this storm is continuing to push closer. The reds and the greens coming together with that little inflow notch, indicating that we do have that rotation.
Anything right now. It's going away from you. I'm actually underneath the overhang of the building. They've got a big vestibule, or like a, I don't know what you call it, like a porch that comes out in the front, and the lightning is so bad, I don't want to walk 15 feet to the front door.
We are zoomed in very closely here on our velocity scans, and what you can see is the brighter greens and the brighter reds. Those are indications of some very strong winds. I am a little concerned about how tightly this is wrapping itself up. You've got the outbound winds.
That big water goblins!
And then you've got the inbound winds, which is what we've got. You're going to be pixel next to pixel. We have a 55
I texted you, I'm down in the basement.
Yes.
that was headed outbound, and a 50-mile-an-hour wind, I believe, which was coming inbound. That basically tells us you've got 100-mile-an-hour winds rotating very quickly, potentially, in this area. So this is just to the south and southeast of Pitchen. This is very intense wind flow, gate-to-gate rotation that we are going to be watching. This is moving across, I cannot remember that road.
That is Selma Road going from northwest to southeast.
Okay, from northwest to southeast, continuing to watch this storm moving to the east. Some very intense, strong winds there, and I believe that is...
And there's the latest scan as well. Just
Yes.
how quickly that scan comes
There
in.
is,
How quickly the storm is
whoa,
moving to the
nice
east northeast.
bolt.
Yeah, really
There's a
here's- Conditions headed to areas where we've got damage. We've got this first line of storms that is coming through. Now we've got the potential of another line of storms coming in behind this. So it may
right.
be a 1-2 punch, and something that you'll want to stay weather aware all evening long.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Safe on those roads this hour as well.
Now, in the old days, when that thing went off, you just went and hid. And now, because the whole time this was going off, I've been listening to the radio and I've been watching what's going on weather radar and stuff. Now I know at least where the storm is at, where the rotation is at, and it's headed away from us. So that's why when the lady came out, I just told her to chuck you out and we get out of here.
Yeah.
Because while it's still, kind of a scary storm back over this way, we're getting away from what's possibly going on back there.
Dearborn, that's why we're looking at Interstate 70, so you can expect that you're going to see really
All water.
on the freeway this afternoon because of the weather conditions. I'm Sergeant Mark Allen, WHIO, Triple T Traffic. Thank you, Sergeant Allen. Take a moment for a quick weather in the area.
The Weather Service got a report from the Springfield Airport of the winds up to about 53 miles an hour. So it's just under that severe criteria, but still enough that it could create some damage.
So I'm jumping over to my side. We've got a local report from the National Weather Service. Law enforcement reported a tornado moving east. This is 1 mile southwest of Charleston. So here's Charleston, and you can see
Yep, that's
that
over to the east
rotation
of
there.
us.
Likely a little bit off because of the...
Because it's not going away.
Oh.
Look at that. I have not seen it like that before.
the current storm clears our area, is the worst of it behind us? Unfortunately, no, because we are going to watch this round of storms continuing to work towards the east.
There's another line
and then we have
coming.
another round of storms that's going to be coming in behind it. To give you some perspective, we actually still have a tornado watch in effect until 8 o'clock this evening. So that's why we are still concerned about the potential of more severe weather coming in and the added threat of tornadic activity as well. I'm going to go over to the wall if we can go ahead and take this full screen because I want to show this.
11 o'clock or midnight tonight before we are completely out of the woods.
Now, we're listening to live coverage from Storm Center 7 with meteorologists Brett Collar and McCall Drydiggs here live on AM 1290 and News 95.7 WHIO.
Don't leave. It is not safe. But at this point, if you're in the Dayton Metro, I think that you're safe now to head home as the tornadic storm has now moved off to the east.